Today, I'm going to show you how to add JavaScript files to your WordPress theme the safe and simple way, with no need to touch any complicated theme files. By the end of this video, you'll be able to integrate custom JavaScript into your WordPress site confidently, all without risking any theme-breaking mistakes. This is perfect whether you want to add features like pop-ups, analytics, or interactive effects, and you just want things to work without the headache. Let's dive in. Rather than digging into core theme files, which can be intimidating and even risky if you're not familiar with code, or even if you are, we're going to use a plugin. Think of plugins as little assistants for your website. They handle behind-the-scenes tasks so you can focus on what matters. If editing theme files feels like poking around under the hood of a car, using a plugin is more like plugging in a phone charger. It's safe, fast, and hard to mess up. First, we need the right plugin. Two popular choices are insert headers and footers or simple custom CSS and JS. Both are well-known and reliable. Just pick the one you prefer or that looks friendliest to you. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, then navigate to Plugins. And click Add New. In the search box, type the plugin name, and when it pops up, hit Install Now and then Activate. This step only takes a moment, and trust me, it's much easier than hunting down the right spot inside your theme files. Plus, if anything goes wrong, you can simply disable the plugin. No harm done. Once activated, the plugin will create a new settings area for itself. Usually you'll find it added under your main settings menu, or as its own brand new item in the sidebar. It might say Insert Headers and Footers or Custom CSS and JS. Just look for something along those lines. Click that and you'll land on the plugin's settings page. This is your new command center for adding scripts, and the layout is intentionally simple. You'll see spaces labeled something like scripts in header or scripts in footer. This brings us to the key step: pasting in your JavaScript. You'll want to wrap your JavaScript code inside the familiar script in /script tags, just like you would in a regular HTML document. So for example, if your script is as simple as a Hello World alert, you'd type script alert hello world /script, paste this into the designated box. Now a quick tip. Most scripts work best in the footer since they'll run after the page loads. So unless your script absolutely needs to load before anything else, try the footer section first. Take your time here. Double-check that your opening and closing script tags are correct. And if you make a mistake, don't worry, this is exactly why we're using a plugin. You can easily edit or remove your code if something doesn't look right. Once you're happy with your code, just scroll down and click Save or Save Changes. That's it. Your script is now live on your site and running wherever you placed it. The great part about using a plugin is that it keeps your changes safe during theme or WordPress updates. And you can always revisit and adjust as you go. And there you go. You've now added custom JavaScript to your WordPress theme, safely and simply with no risk of breaking your site. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit like and let me know in the comments what you're working on. Or if you have any questions, don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tutorials. There's always something new to learn. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next website project.